So, formula. I have chosen these plants because of their names. Varuna. What is Varuna? Huh?
Water.
Yeah. But it is also God. God of water. Huh? And if you see the Vedic literature, Varuna, you will find this name very often. And this chapter which I have mentioned along with the first Kant, third chapter, there came very often. Varuna. Punarnava, name. It can make everything new. Gokshura. Bhumi Amalki. This is again very wonderful. I found this incident. This is wonderful drug for all the complications of diabetes. Usually people use it for liver disease, but I use it for all the complications of diabetes. It is Rasayan. It is one of the ingredients of Chyawanprash. It is the name of Kamalki. Chyawanprash Avaya, of course, in elderly patients we use Brahma Rasayana also. Shilajit and Gunu compound like Jeet Pradavati or Shilajit Pradavati, or you can give Shilajit directly also, but not is 200 milligram capsules. We use 3 to 5 grams of Shilajit. Then supporting excretory function, here we give Nirvapasti with Punarnavashtakva. And I consider Nirvapasti is mini dialysis. Same concept. If patient feels weak or some features of vata provocation, then intermittently we give Anvasana Basti with Gokshurali Telam. This is our own prepared oil which we have processed with all these plants which we have mentioned. But main is Nirvapasti. And we give it every day. And we instruct our residents that give in this way that it should retain minimum 20 minutes, not less than 20 minutes. Fluid intake should be regulated according to urine output. Yeah. Here, this I have mentioned. You may be using Nirvapasti. And sometimes we are blind followers of text without knowing the name. Basti Netra. Because they mentioned that the cutting of should be after this much finger, this. So you do not introduce this Basti Netra more than 4 fingers. Am I right? Huh? But what will happen that if you will do this, then you will come this area, this is very sensitive area. Patient will immediately have dedication urge when he has to pass this. Why they have put this barrier of 4 fingers? We have to know this. Because in ancient time, this material for Basti Netra was hard, metal or wood. So if you insert more than this, it can injure the red. Therefore, they have put this barrier. They don't penetrate more than 4 fingers. But nowadays, when you have such a flexible material, soft material, which even you can introduce up to column, nothing can happen. Then why don't you introduce it further so that Basti can retain longer? And for this purpose, we have prepared this single-use Basti meter. We use it only once, disposable. It does not cost much. So, this we have already discussed. Yeah. We usually give salt-free diet, but if you have to use them, or every patient in our hospital we use sand oil. No other oil. Only dough, no other ghee. Only sesame oil, no other oil. And no breakfast. Only Chyawanprash and so for anemia, Chyawanprash itself will work, iron preparations will work. But here one thing we have to remember, that kidneys produce erythropoietin. And without this, erythropoiesis is not possible. This is the endocrine functional